Hello everyone, this is the fifth video in the series The Power of Python. Here the string is getting revisited today. So we will see this data type has some operations and inbuilt functions for our programming purpose. So first of all, let us see concatenation. Here what we have done, we have taken two strings str1 and str2 and hello and world. These two words I have assigned to these two variables, and we are concatenating in these two words or two variables in third string variable str3. So we are getting str1 plus str2. Let us see what is the output. So we have got the concatenated string is hello world. Now suppose you want to add many or you want to concatenate many strings, then you can do it with the shortcut operator. So I have taken string 1 as hello, then I have taken name from user with the help of input function, and then I have concatenated hello with name, and then again one more string I have added, that is welcome to Python programming, to this main string. So what will be the output? Let us see. So I will enter my name Ashish. So welcome Ashish, hello Ashish, welcome to Python programming. This is how I have got the concatenated string. Suppose you want to type the string 3 times or 4 times or multiple times, then you have to just write print the string and multiplied by how many times you want it. So it will be string, it will be 3 times hello printed. Then we have string format. Suppose we want to write it in print function. So what we will do, we will create a formatted string where f prefix has to be added before the string, and then I have taken two variables, name and age. So Ashish is assigned to name and 28 is assigned to age. So in formatted string we have taken double quotes in which we have taken curly braces, and I have first written the first variable, that is name space is space age years old. And suppose we run this program, I am going to get Ashish is 18 years old or 28 years old. So this is how the formatted string works. Then there are some built-in function that we have to use. So I have taken one message variable. I have assigned lowercase hello to that variable, and I have printed whether it is low or not. So message dot is lower function will give us true or false value. Similarly, I have taken hello where h is capital and assigned to message, and I have seen whether it is lower or not. So let us see what are the outputs of this piece of code. So first it is true that it is lowercase, and second it is not true that it is false, it is not a lowercase. Similarly, we can check it for uppercase also with the help of is upper function. So we have to write the variable and is upper. So we will see what output we are going to get in this piece of code. So first it is not upper, so it is false. Second it is uppercase, so it is true. Then we have length function. So length function will print the length of the word or length of the sentence, how many letters and white spaces are present in the message, that it is going to count. So we will take length message, so it is 5, HELLO is 5, that's why it is 5 over here as a length of message. Then we will see what is lower. So suppose we have some message written in upper and lower case or title case. So to make it lower case, we will write the variable dot lower function along with the two rounded bracket function sign. So it will get into lower case. So lower is the hello in lower case is the output. Similarly, if we want to make it uppercase, message dot upper will make it in capital letters. Title case, the world is beautiful. So let us see what is the output of this title case. So every word will have first capital letter in title case. See, here T was capital, it is T capital. Here W is lower, but W is uppercase in the output. Similarly, I and B, we can find it out. So this is how we can work with inbuilt functions. Similarly, swap cases. So suppose in this function we will swap the title case and the normal case. So I have written a statement in normal case, and let us see what its output will be. So T will be small, HE will be higher, means upper, world will be capital, is will be capital, and beautiful will be capital. So this is how swap cases works. The letter which is in upper case, that becomes lower case, and the lower case character become uppercase character. Then enumerate. Enumerate means it creates a list out of the characters present in the string. So let us see what we have got in hello world along with the enumerate. It is also giving us the index number, that at 0 index H is present, 1 it is E present, 2 L is present, 3 L is present, and 4 O is present. So this is how we have got list enumeration along with the string. Then suppose you want to strip some part of the string. Here I have taken Ashish Ganesh, this string, and I want to strip Ganesh from the string. So I will write string, means the variable, and I will try to write dot strip and the name which you want to strip off from the sentence. So it will be stripped off. So Ganesh is stripped off. Similarly, we have L strip and R strip. L stands for left and R stands for right. So let us see what is the result of L strip and R strip. So here Ashish from the left side, it is stripped off, and here Ganesh from the right side, it is stripped off, and we have got the final string. So again, suppose we have been given a string, and we want to slice it. So what we will do is we will try to write its indices, from which index to which index we want the string to be sliced. So here I have taken Python as my string, and I want to slice it from 1 to 4. So that's why I have written 1 to 5. This is the rule of Python, that you should go one index ahead for slicing. And in the second case I have taken from 2 to 3, so only 2 letters will be printed. So let us see what is the result. So it is YTHO and TH. So this is how we can slice the string. Now we can compare the strings also. So let us compare first thing. It is comparison operator we are working upon. So two string ABC and ABC, whether they are same or not, that will get printed. Similarly, ABC is not equal to ABC capital, which will be false. So first will be true and second will be false. So this is how we have got the answer. So string is not a difficult part to work with. So we have seen the operations and inbuilt function of string. Thank you very much.